Y'all, I'm Jeremiah Long with Marinemax in Sarasota, Florida. And guys, I'm standing on board a boat that I was there for the debut and I absolutely adore. This is Sea Ray's 260 SLX Outboard. Outboard is a story. The SLX series were always stern drives. We finally get these awesome things for saltwater. Guys, Mercury 300 in white at the back. I'm walking across Sea Deck, another product that I really love. Guys, the design work here is beautiful, and we can't leave the rear of the boat without talking about this Sunpad. It's huge. It has cup holders. It has cell phone chargers, even stereo controls. And if it's a hot day and you want to be on it, you have a manual sunshade right here that covers the whole thing. It is such a cool component on a power soft top boat that we've never really seen before until Sea Ray came out. The inside of a 260 SLX is plush and deep. The seats are incredibly thick. They're very comfortable. Your table legs and stuff have been pulled up off the floor. You have a battery charger. You just have detail and thought everywhere you go. And that continues on to the Helm. The Helm is gorgeous on a 260 SLX. Twin screens, incredible audio, digital controls, automatic trim tabs. There's really a ton to love. And this whole story continues as you go forward in the front of the boat. They've continued that Sea Deck right up the wall, made it look so cool with that table leg. The seats, the loungers are comfortable. The stitching is epic. And there's one last point that you guys really have to see on this boat. This has a fantastic vacuum flush head, a great sink. If you have to do that, it's a really nice area to pull that off. Guys, this is our 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. I'm Jeremiah with Marinemax in Sarasota. If you want to see this boat and frankly get on the water we're on right now, give us a shout.